Hi, I'm Stefania Johnson. I'm an RMT and I'm the program manager at Rhodes Wellness College's new massage therapy diploma program. I'd love to invite you to our open house on Wednesday, July 31st. It's online, it's casual, and it's a great way to get a feel for the program, whether you're just starting to explore massage therapy or if you've been thinking about it for a while. If you're coming to this as a second career, maybe juggling work, family, or the realities of adult life, you're not alone. That's exactly who this program is built for. I can tell you that both the profession and the people entering it are changing. Massage therapy is becoming more collaborative, more person-centered, and more grounded in both science and human connection. And that's the kind of RMT we're here to help you become. At the open house, you'll learn more about the schedule, the kinds of classes you'd be taking, and how we've designed this program to support both your learning and your life. You'll meet some of the faculty, including myself, and have space to ask whatever's on your mind. So if you're curious, please join us. Wednesday, July 31st. It's going to be online. I'll be there, and I'd love to meet you.